Balitang Pinas. There were nights when I can't help but cry, when I wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, sabi ko rin, what did I do? Sabi sa'yo, patataas, last day. Completely when I thought this time would never end. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-vocalize. I'm so sorry. Pag yung nagre-request talaga, wala talaga akong matinong nakakanta. Oo, ang taas. Ang hirap ng ano eh. Ang anak na. It had to end so soon when you said that you would never leave me. Okay na ba? Okay na ba yun? Kaya rin na? Palyado tayo, di ba? Ikaw ba na-request yan? Hindi ko makita yung pangalan ko. Ang mahirap talaga naman ako ang mata. Request, pwede ba yung love song mo? Mr. DJ, baka sa'kin ito, sana ay okay sa'yo. Hihintayin mo na patugtugin mo, thank you ulit sa'yo. Kahit luma na ang aming hawin, nais ko rin marinig. Kahit man lang sa'kin alaala, ay makasama siya. Nasaan man siya, mayroon mang iba, ito'y para sa kanya. Sana'y nakikinig siya. Hello guys! Ang hirap. Sa Panginoon na niluma. Salamat sa gift. Sino nag-gift? Wala, hindi mo mukha ito. Si Belle. Ikaw, oo. Belle, thank you sa gift. Lalo. Wala ko natapos na matino. Meron po ba kayong request na ano? Yung kaya ko naman, guys. Yung abot kaya naman ng akin. Init, makakaloka. I spent half my life looking for the reasons things must change. And half my life trying to make them stay the same. Thank you, Wildflower, Elisha. Love would feel like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The will of the wind, the feel. Salamat sa pagtambay, guys. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep yourselves on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must be with the will of the wind. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. So many hours thinking about the way things might have been. And so many hours trying to bring the good times back again. And so it goes for lonely hearted fools. They let their days slip away until they give it to the will of the wind. You feel it and then ay, ka pala. Going steady, it comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must give yourselves on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must be with the will of the wind. Happy tasking everyone. Sige lang, gora-gora. Hindi ko ano yung mga names nyo. Lago ng mata ko. So, wala, ba't ako nag-stop? Nag-notif yung ano. Hey you, what happened to you? Wala ko.